If you have Vivo Y400 Pro smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down, select security and privacy. Select device unlocking and then select fingerprint. Now firstly you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part, otherwise select pattern, pin or password. I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern, click on next and then confirm your pattern. Now it will ask you how you want to show your notifications. I'm selecting never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment and then click on agree. Now place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this and keep on adjusting your fingerprint so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. After this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint like this.